Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. For all of you kebab lovers out there, I've got another tasty one for you. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my version of Shish Tawook. This popular recipe is from the Middle East, and I'll bet you'll love it. So we'll go ahead by making a marinade. In a large bowl, we'll add plain yogurt, some olive oil, freshly squeezed lemon juice, pressed garlic and lots of it, tomato paste, and if you have leftovers, click on the top right corner of your screen for a great trick to salvage it. Followed by smoked paprika, then dried oregano, some ground cumin, as well as allspice, ground ginger, ground cinnamon, and of course, ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll stir the ingredients until nicely blended before adding our chicken breast that we've cut into 1.5-inch pieces. We'll stir until the meat is well coated. Cover and chill for 8 to 24 hours. Longer the better. Next, we'll make the yogurt sauce. This is exactly the same sauce I use when I make my shawarma chicken kebabs. Now, if you haven't seen the video, let's recap. In a bowl, we'll add Greek yogurt, fresh chopped dill, 1 large pressed garlic, freshly squeezed lemon juice, some ground cumin, ground sea salt, and freshly ground black pepper. We'll mix everything very well, cover, and transfer to the fridge for at least 1 hour before serving. Alright, so a few hours later, our well-marinated chicken is ready to be skewered. As you see, I'm not adding anything else because I'll be serving these kebabs with a nice green salad with chopped vegetables. But if you want, add some onion pieces, bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, stuff like that. When skewering the chicken, don't forget to space it out a little to allow the meat to cook evenly. When we're done with this step, we'll move on to the barbecue. When the temperature reaches 450 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll place our kebabs on the grill that has been oiled, which that day both David and I forgot to do. Oh well. We'll close the lid and cook until brown, rotating them every 3 minutes. Once the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, they're done, and we'll serve them immediately with our lovely yogurt sauce. And my friends, this is our Shish Tawook. This Middle East recipe is so delicious. It's easy to make and a great dish to enjoy this summer. Tender, juicy, and flavorful. Don't be surprised if these chicken kebabs become a family favorite. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!